So atong isolve karon is problems under motion problems sa worded problems na algebra, and basta motion problems gani ang imuha lang formula na balik-baliko gamit is kadtong kaning d is equal to rate times time, or distance is equal to velocity, or rate times time. So try nato ning first problem nato na a freight train starts from LA and heads for Chicago at 40 mph. 2 hours later, a passenger train leaves the same station for Chicago, traveling at 60 mph. How long will it be before the passenger train overtakes the freight train? So, ang problem is, nado kay station na sa LA. Tama? And then, let's say, kani imuhang Chicago. So, kani imuhang freight train, say F, from LA to Chicago, ihang rate is 40 mph. Okay, so 40 mph. And then, kaning imuhang passenger train, from LA to Chicago gihapon, 2 hours later, nibiyahe siya, ihang rate is 60 mph. The question is, how long will it be before the passenger train overtakes the freight train? So, how long will it be before the passenger train overtakes the freight train? So, pila daw, kumbaga, let's say, mo ni imuhang T na siya. So, ang T mo na ang time traveled ni passenger train. Time traveled ni passenger train. So, how long pa daw, pila pa ka oras mo biyahe si passenger train sa kanya ma-overtake si freight train. So, obviously, ma-overtake yun na niya kaya mas paspas man siya speed. Awa 60 mph compared sa 40 mph si freight train. So, kung T ang imuhang time traveled ni passenger train, so, si F, unsay hang time traveled na. So, T minus, either mahulog na maguna siya T plus 2 or T minus 2. Diba? So, asa diha ang imuhang gamiton. So, kung T is ang time traveled ni passenger train, ang kay freight train, unsa man natong ibutang, T plus 2 or T minus 2. Kinsay nauna og biyahe? Di ba mas nauna og biyahe si freight train? So, meaning to say, if for example, si passenger train, 5 hours na iyahang travel time. Yeah. So, pila ang travel time na freight train? 7. Kaya nga naman, 2 hours later, pabaya ni biyahe si passenger train, di ba? So, dapat mas taas, kumbaga, ang time travel ni freight train compared kay passenger train, kaya mas nauna man siya hawa. So, mas taas dapat ihang time travel. So, imuhang gamiton is, kaling T plus 2. Okay, so, imuhang ibutang diriya is T plus 2. Okay. So, nanatay rate, nanatay time, distance sa atong pangutana karon. So, ang question is, ang problem is ni overtake siya. So, meaning to say, dapat imuhang distance traveled equal lang na silang duha. What I mean ba is, kung let's say kani imuhang starting point, mo na imuhang train station, si F, biyahe siya. Mo na imong freight train, mo na ihang distance traveled, DF. 2 hours later, nibiyahe na po si passenger train. Same silag starting point, same silag station. So, biyahe siya. Wait lang. Biyahe siya. Hunya ni overtake. Okay, so, mao ni imuhang distance traveled ni passenger train. So, i-compare god ang DF o DP. Di ba equal lang man sila? Ngano equal? Obviously, na-overtake. Equal sila kay same man ilahang starting point. So, we can say that DF is equal to DP. Distance traveled ni freight train is equal to the distance traveled po ni passenger train. Mo na ang mag-overtake sila. So, pwede na nato i-equate si VT, or, ayun na lang, RT. RT is equal to RT. RT ni freight train o RT ni passenger train. So, pila ang rate ni freight train, di ba? Pila ba? 40. Ang T ni freight train, T plus 2, is equal to R rate ni passenger train, 60. T ni. So, solving for T, 4. So, after, pag ang time traveled ni passenger train is 4 hours. So, pagka 4 hours, ika-4th hour niya na travel, mali na akong grammar ba? Basta ika-4th hour na travel niya, saka niya ma-overtake si freight train ni mo. Okay? Pero, careful ta ha. Patang ako diri, careful. Careful mo kay basin manggod ang inyong buhaton is this. Antahay F ni, P ni. Basing manggod class, ang inyong buhaton is himuon niyo ng T. Kani is T. O kumbaga T is unsa si T? T is time traveled kumbaga ni freight train. Kay basig manginana mo ba instead na ani kani yung gibuhat. T is ang time traveled ni freight train. So if T ang time traveled ni freight train, unsa ba dapat si P? Dapat T plus 2 or T minus 2? Dapat T minus 2. Okay, mas dako ang time travel ni freight train compared kay passenger train. Timan inyo na ha. So, but pasabot pag 3 hours ni, dapat 1 ni. 3 minus 2, 1. Ha? Kay, kung kanimang yung gamiton, ang iyuhang makuha ana kay tahay mag-solve mo. Gamiton ninyo ni, kanay inyong buhaton. So, marang inyong buhaton magod na is 40t is equal to 60t minus 2. Diba? So, ma-solve mo na t ana is 6. Mali ni. Ay, ang answer is 4. Diba? Kani, dili 6. Kaya nga naman, kani mo gud mo nakuha. Time traveled man gud ni freight train. Ang question man gud, time traveled ni passenger train, dili ni freight train. So, but pasabot, ang imong dapat gikuha is kaning t minus 2 na to. Na? T minus 6 minus 2, 4. Mo na ang 4. Mo ni ang time traveled ni passenger train. Ha, careful mo ha to ha kay basig ani man gud ni ihang style. Kay ang question is ang time travel man gud ni passenger train, dili ni freight train. So careful mo. Kani is time travel ni passenger train. Time travel ni passenger train. Kaning 6 is ang time travel ni freight train. So careful ta na. Ha. So hopefully na-gets to no. So pag na may question, paki-comment lang sa ubos para at least ma-clarify na ako. So next problem ta. Okay? A car leaves San Francisco for Los Angeles, traveling an average speed of 70 mph. At the same time, another car leaves Los Angeles for San Francisco, traveling 60 mph. If it is 520 miles between SF and LA, how long before the two cars meet, assuming that each maintains its average speed? So, ang nahitabo is this. Naa kay San Francisco SF, and then si LA is somewhere here. Okay, so ang distance daw between the two is 520 miles. Sige, so ang car nagikan kay San Francisco, travel siya 70 mph. Ang car nagikan sa LA padulong kay San Francisco, iyahang rate is 60 mph. How long before the two cars meet? Assuming na na-maintain nila ang 70 o 60 nila na average speed. So, unsa pa kadugay, pila ba time traveled para mag-meet silang duha. And take note, same time sila ni Hawa. Same time sila ni Hawa. So, ano ni? Kung nag-meet sila, say for example, nag-meet sila no, so, kung tahay mo ni imuhang, wait lang ha, pangita si ani na lang, mo tayo mo ni imuhang 520 miles. Okay. So, kung kani ang San Francisco, biyahe siya. Mo ni si distance 1. Yang kaning isa, gikan sa LA, biyahe siya. Distance 2. So, nag-meet silang duha. Diraa. Wala ta kabalo pila ang distance. Wala ta kabalo pila ang distance travel. Basta nag-meet sila direa, somewhere here. Tama? So, kung buhatan niyo muna check equation, atong ma-come up na equation is this. 520 is equal to D1 plus D2. Tama? So, muna to siya. Now, what is D? D1. What is D1? Rate times time. What is D2? Rate times time. So, D1 ta, pilay rate? 70. Time, wala ta kabalo sa time, T. Mo may gipangita how long time traveled, T. D2, 60, T. Same lang ato ha diri T og T. Ngano same lang man atong variable sa time traveled ni car 1 og time traveled ni car 2. Kay same time sila ni Hawa. So manang T lang atong variable dira. So 520 is equal to 70T plus 60T Answer is time is equal to 4 hours. So, after 4 hours, saka sila magtagbo. Ay, di. O, lagi, 4 hours. 4 hours po itong ganina, no? Okay, so, 4 hours. So, muna sa imuhang number 2. Now, try na to ni last problem na to, number 3. Two planes leave New York at 10 a.m. One heading to Europe at 600 mph and one heading in the opposite direction at 150 mph. At what time will they be 900 miles apart? So, kung say for example mo di mong New York 10 a.m. ni ha, ang isa daw padulong sa Europe. Say ka na ang Europe, ay asa bang di baliktad ta, diri amande ang Europe banda, no? Europe, ang iyahang rate is 600 mph. Tama? Ang isa is diri sa pikas direction. Iyahang speed is 100 mph, 150 mph. Unsang orasa pa daw para ang ilahang distance apart is 900 miles. So dapat kani 900 miles. Same time ba sila ni leave? Yes, same time sila ni leave at 10 a.m. So, unsang orasa pa daw sila para na 900 miles apart ang ilang distance. So, okay. So, sige ha, balik ta sa tong analogy ganina. If kani si 900 miles, ya kani imuhang airport, New York. Ya kani is distance travel sa isa katong padulong sa Europe, and kaning isa is ang distance travel sa katong isa na padulong sa opposite direction. So kung kani is 900 miles, so imong equation is 900 is equal to D1 plus D2. So mao lang gihapon, tama? So unsa si D1, unsa si D2. So distance 1 is equal to RT, distance 2 is equal to RT. So kaning D1 na to is 600 kani times T. Ang time traveled na. Ang D2 is 150 times T. So, same lang gihapon atong variable diri T ug T. Kay ngano same lang atong variable diri kay same time sila ni hawa. At 10 a.m. silang duha ni hawa sila. So, you have 900 is equal to 600T plus 150T. Imong makuha na time is 1.2 hours. Pero dili ka na ang question sa problem ha. Ang question is, ang oras mismo. So, kung 1.2 na siya, 1.2 no, click niyo yun eh. So, that is 1 hour, 12 minutes, 0 seconds. So, this is 1 hour, 12 minutes. Okay. Nga ako nun sa sila ni Hawa, 10 a.m. So, boot pa sa boot at after 1 hour and 12 minutes, so that's 11:12. Diba? At 11:12 a.m., ang duha ka aeroplano, a.m. Ang duha ka aeroplano is 900 miles apart. So careful mo. Ang time ang gipangayo diri class. Okay?